Hello everybody, welcome back to SMOT Poker's YouTube channel. I'd like to urge you to subscribe and to set reminders for future videos. Today we're super excited to be here and to bring you an unboxing of the Medic Grow Smart 8. This opportunity to grow with this light and to have it has been brought to us by growsponsor.com and our good friend Dr. MJ Coco at cocoforcannabis.com. During this video, as you can see behind me, we're going to have some metrics up here that Dr. Coco has come up with during his testing. You can find these tests over at YouTube on Dr. Coco's YouTube channel. And then the manufacturer's data is here in the corner. And this is all good stuff, invaluable resource for this light and every other light. I recommend you go check it out. And yeah, it's all good stuff. So I also wanted to mention that we went ahead and took the liberty of cutting the box open. We took the light out of the bag and we took some of this stuff off. That can be a little monotonous during a video, so I like to get it out of the way. It doesn't really change anything about it. So I'll give you some of the metrics that I have. What they said on the box here is they have a warning: turn off power before installation and do not touch red LED chips. And they're nice enough to say thank you. So that's cool. I've never seen that on something else, and I wanted to make sure we got that in the video. So again, we had this already open. We opened it up. This was tucked inside in the middle here, and it was in this bag. We took it out of the bag to make it easy for everybody. And then inside the box, we obviously have a power cord, some hanging fixtures here. We have the LED grow light user manual, and here's a little cord that's going to go to the dimmer feature, I'm sure, as well as a plug-in connector here for the end. Pretty standard stuff for LED light there. I wanted to mention that the driver is a Sosin driver, and it's built into this. I'll turn the light here a little bit so you guys can see. It's built into the chassis of the light itself, and you'll see the knobs there. See if I can get it up on something here. So you can see it has a bloom knob, and it has your dimmer and your timer knob. I wanted to mention, if you do use the timing feature, you'll get a sunrise and sunset, and that will help ramp up and over time, and it will slowly dim down your densities of light, with morning and sunrise. So, or with sunrise and sunset, sorry. Sometimes it gets a little hard to talk with this mask. So it has OSRAM and SAN diodes. It's 760 watts. That works out to be about 4 diodes per watt. And yeah, so we're excited to get this over top of some plants. We're going to get our Apogee MQ500 sensor out and do some readings for ourselves. There's a lot to be said for the for people doing videos, but there's no comparison to actually putting the sensor under there yourself and seeing the distribution and the PPFD measurements that you get from different heights. And it works out pretty good for us to be able to dial in our grow great. So we hope that if you have the light, you'll check in and get some of those metrics from us. We would like to also mention that we have a code for Medic Grow, and it is SMOT, S-M-O-T. So if anybody wants to go over and check out their lights, they have a couple different ones. You can use the code SMOT, S-M-O-T, and save yourself some cash. And while we have your attention, we would also like to invite you back to this very channel for our live shows that we run on Wednesdays. It's called the Hump Day Show. It's from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern. And we also have a Sunday show from noon to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's our flagship show that we call the Sundays and Confused Show. We have an open panel most days, and we invite other people to come on and hang out with us. And my beautiful wife, who's behind the camera, is one of my co-hosts, as well as a couple friends, and it's a good time. So we hope you'll join us for that and for future videos here. I wanted to say shout out to everybody. Thanks for your support. You guys have been great. We couldn't do this without you. Grower love.